Subscribe to Learn and Tech channel and press the bell icon for latest update from Learn and Tech.
Hey there everyone, my name is Prakash Methani and welcome back to Learn and Tech. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can create your custom permission level for your SharePoint Online site. As you might aware about that, you already have these kind of default permission level like full control, design, edit, contribute, read, view only. Alright, so in some scenarios, what happened that we want to create our own custom permission level by which we can provide a specific access to a particular user or a group. So let's suppose that I want to create a kind of permissions level where I have permissions to edit thing, but I cannot delete the thing. In that case, we'll have to mix up these two permission level, that is contribute and these read and view only. So for creating a custom permissions level, what you need to do is just navigate to your site collection level and open one of your site. I'm gonna open my team site here, and once you are there in your team site, go in a setting option here, click on site setting. There you have a site permission, and in the top there we have a permission level. Just click on the permission level section here. You will be navigated to this screen, and here's an option of add a permission level. Click on this, name your permission level, so contribute, no, delete. And now here is the option called permission, and select a permission to include in this permission level. So here we have a different section: list permission, site permission, and personal permissions. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, for list permission, I have to make it contribute, but the person cannot delete the item. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna click on this particular edit item. In this section, this particular group can edit item in a list, edit document in a document library, and can customize web part in a document libraries. By default, once you select this, that particular group will have a view item access also. And below there we have a delete item from the list, and document from a document library. We do not want to this kind of permissions. Alright, so we'll leave it as it is. For the site level, we are providing a view page access and allow user to open a website list folder in order to access item inside the container. So this is there, and we have created our own contribute no delete permissions level, and we'll just click on create. Our permission level will be there. Now you can see that you have a contribute no delete permissions there. I haven't added any description, that's why it's not showing up here, but we have this contribute no delete permissions level. So this is the simple way to create your custom permissions level, and after that you can provide this particular level of permissions to a specific group or individual user. That we'll talk about in our later tutorial, where I'll talk about that how you can stop inheriting permissions and you can provide custom permissions to a specific user or group for that particular library, list, or item. Alright, so for this section, this is it. Thank you so much for watching Learn and Tech, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe. Thank you so much.